How to use the CRM feature on Monday.com. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the CRM feature on Monday. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open Monday.com and you have to log in or sign up accordingly, and then you have to add in your work details a little bit. And after you're done, you can use Monday.com for a lot of different features. You can do project management on Monday.com, and as well as you can also do CRM. CRM is basically customer relationship management. That is a very important and very crucial step when you are managing a business, because if every business depends upon its customers. So if you do not have good relationships with your customers, if your customers have queries, if your customers experience problems in your business and your service, and you do not respond to them, and you do not fix them, you won't be able to get customers for a longer time. Ultimately, you will run out of business, because a lot of people won't want to use your service again, and the ones that were using before, they will basically do not tell other peoples that you are basically providing a good service. And when there won't be more access, there won't be more people reaching out to you. Ultimately, you are going to basically lose the clients you already did, and you will run out of business. So we do not need that. You do not need that. So for that, you are basically, the CRM comes to help. Customer relationship management basically helps you to organize everything that is related to your customer and their relationship, and how you can manage everything. If they have queries, how you can basically give your customers automations, how you can basically make the experience of using your website or your service a better experience for them. All of these things are included in CRM. So how you can basically use Monday.com for CRM. So first of all, what you need to do is, when you come on Monday.com, here you can see this is my dashboard. It is just a fresh website that I have just created right now. So that's why it is something like that. So when I was basically making my Monday, I basically told Monday.com, when it asked me what do I need to use Monday for. So I told them I'm using it for CRM. So as you can see now, I'm getting all the things which are related to CRM: the deals, Monday sales, CRM, contacts for CRM, leads for CRM, accounts for CRM. So I'm not getting into this, but if you have a normal account, if you just opened a Monday.com for project management, but now you want it for CRM as well, what you need to do is you need to add a workspace. How to add your workspace? First of all, click on this option which says work management. Open that, and in here you are going to find all your workspaces. You basically go to your work management, and your work is managed through different workspaces. For each of the work, for each of the project, each of the specific need, you create a different workspace. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to create a main workspace. You can also rename it if you want to. Like, for example, if you want to rename this specific workspace, I'm just going to open it, and I'm going to rename it from this option. Like, I'm just going to name it CRM, because I'm making a workspace for my CRM. Use the main workspace to manage and collaborate on all company. Okay, I'm just going to delete this specific bio description of this test CRM. I'm just going to add test CRM in this. Okay, good to go. Now what do I need to do? First of all, I need to add different boards. You have 0 boards in this workspace. Add from templates. You can just go on to templates, and you're going to find different CRM related templates in it, like single project portfolio. Wait a second, let me drag it down for you a little bit. Okay, so in here you can find the option of sales and CRM. Just click on that, and then you are going to find all the templates that are related to sales and CRM. Okay, customer projects, marketing activities. You also have some other for you. Wait a second, let me show you guys. Basic CRM and real estate CRM, etc. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add this basic CRM template. We are going to focus on the basic CRM and not some specific marketing or management CRM right now. I'm just going to use this template, and it is basically creating my tables and templates. I'm going to wait until it does that, and then I'll show you guys how you can basically edit the whole template and how you can make it something up to your own use, and you don't have to basically stick to everything that they have provided you. Okay, so this here, you have got your main CRM. Now, what things you have on this main table? Here you can see you have these specific tables. These are basically the specific tables that you have. Now they are basically, each table is required, each table has assigned a specific purpose. Each table has different projects in it. For example, this specific table right here, it is named active deals. So all the deals that are active right now are within these table. Like, if you want to add a specific deal, just click on this option, add, and I'm going to basically add a deal for. Okay, I added it. Now is it a proposal? is it a discovery or a negotiation? I'm just going to say it's a proposal. This is what I've added to. Okay, so I'm just going to add it as it's a one negotiation proposal. Let's say it's a proposal. Now, who's the owner of this deal and what are the contacts of this deal? The priority, you can set the priority from this option here. Let's say it's a medium priority work. Now, the deal length, how many days it's going to take for the deal to basically complete. I'm just going to say 1 day. Okay, so you can basically insert the formula and you can see how many days it would take and how many days it should take. So I'm just going to leave it right now. And now you can also go up and you can deal creation date. You can the deal creation date is December 13, and you can also add a closing date on this as well. So after you have done everything, you have basically created a new deal on monday.com on your basically active deals. Now if you want to see the closed deals, as you can see right here, this is the deal 4, this is the deal 5, and these are the low priority deals. Closing date was October 31 and deal creation was September 23. So deal value is this. You can change it if you want to, and the deal length is going is this. So this is how basically you add different things. Now if you want to add a new group, for example, the lost deals, we haven't talked about the lost deals, right? So if you want to add the lost deals, you can add that in the new group. Wait a second, let me just, okay, lost deals. So this is what I'm going to make the table for. And now what you can do is you can add different deals in this specific table. Like you can click on this option, add deal, and you can add like deal 7, this was lost, for example. You can set the priority. Okay, I had a deal 7, you can set the priority. It was a high priority deal. The deal length was of, let's say, okay, 1 day. Deal value was, let's say, 15, and the closing date was, let's say, 1, and the deal creation was this. Okay, so this was what's gonna happen, and it was the deal and everything. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is basically the deal tracker. This is the main table. Now if you want to have it as a Kanban, you can just go on and see it like that. The discovery, negotiation is gonna be this, proposals are these one, the ones are these, and the lost are these. So you can just go on and add each of these, and you will see in Kanban type of view. You can integrate different apps, like you can integrate your Slack, your Google Gmail and everything, and you can also automate your whole process by this option right here. Now you can add different automations. When stage changes to 1, move item to closed 1, like yes, you can turn on this automation. Whenever something whenever the stage of some project will from deal will change to 1, it will be moved to the group closed 1. So you can also add different automations in it. If you want to create a new automation, just click on that and you'll be able to create a new automation. You also have your contacts, right? You can add your clients, you can also add your members, you can also add your subscriber into this, and you can also add an automation that whenever a person subscribes, they are already added into your contact, or you can manually add your contact from this option. You have your getting started here, and you have your sales board right here. You can keep everything, you can keep a track of everything from your sales board, and you won't basically fall behind on anything from this specific time tracker. You can see what's happening around, what's going around, and you can basically guide yourself into basically making good decisions for your business. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any queries, just comment it down in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care and bye bye.